Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Ministry of Education jong ka Sarkar India kalapan binapait ba ban pelong ya ka Shillong Book Fair kaban sedang nadu ka arpunyaw trik unay lur ar hajar arpulai bat ya ka ba an sa penkut hakalai trik urisaw ar hajar arpulai. Ya kini kata masa di kon an sa pelong hapalau jong ka State Central Library Shillong da ka jingat relang berketanat arts and culture berketanat Pule Puthi jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya. Kinsa dan ru kumba san pau tali kidukan hakaba kinsa bu yakikot jong kinong tho kiba pawnam na keleng kiri kuntup ru na ka National Book Trust India kibala tho shapanga jinga dei jong ka jilla Meghalaya ka jingroi ka tho ka Pule ha ka kitien pareng khasi bat garu bat hakiwe kiwe de kijat kitien ba per jong kari India.
As you know, National Book Trust of India is the apex body for Government of India for publishing and related to the book and book reading culture. So we have been fulfilling our mandate for the last 67 years, and follow to our mandate, we are planning to organize, and in fact tomorrow will be inaugurated, the Shillong Book Fair in collaboration and coordination and support of the State Department, Department of Education and Department of Art and Culture. It is a very wonderful initiative of the state government that we are coming for a collaboration between state and central body to organize book fair in the beautiful state of Meghalaya. I would like to thank for this cooperation, support and the initiative that state government has taken. Over a period of 27th September to 3rd of October, you will get to see a lot of bookstores being put up here. More than 30 publishers with different variety of books of all age group, for all segments and in all regional languages and dialects. You will get to see the books. You will get to see the books about NEP, National Education Policy compliant books in bilingual format. You will get to see India 75 series that commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. You will also get to see books about Prime Minister Yuva project, where we have made biographies and events related to the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So these are some of the selling features. Other than that, there will be continuous children activities where the children will get to know. They will have storytelling sessions, they will have graffiti training, lettering, painting, drawing, all kind of soft skills that the child need to grow. We will have workshops for them, we will have activities for them, and they will be conducted. We already requested the State Department for Education to outreach, and necessary directions have been passed. So you'll get to see that a lot of children will be there to enjoy these activities. Other than that, you will also get a lot of authors from Northeast region. They will come, they will have their literary sessions, they will have discussions on their books, they will have discussions on various contemporary issues. That will be the another feature that will be there. The important part is the book fair is absolutely free. There is no ticketing for that. Anybody can come, and it will open at morning 11 o'clock, and book fair will close around 7 p.m. in the evening. All evening sessions are being celebrated with beautiful cultural dimensions of the state. We'll have a lot of cultural activities where local artists, folk music, rock bands, and other cultural events will be displayed, and the activities will take place, for which we already tied with Art and Culture Department and local school, college and universities also there. More than this, there is also diversity of content, which is very important. Generally, people don't get to see so many books at one place. Our attempt is to introduce our children, our younger generations, youth, diaspora, to the world of books, where they can find the book, the topic, the language, or the theme they love. So this entire initiative aims to connect our generation with the love of book, the book reading culture, and promote it. With this whole initiative, we have received unconditional support, I will say. One of the finest example of state and union coordination where we have come up for this promotion of book. Most important part is there will be a 10% discount minimum on all books for all buyers. So those who want to buy, they will get a very discounted affair also, and some of the publishers will be offering discount more than that also. So this is a great opportunity for all those book lovers who want to buy. And lastly, I will just say this event is not the event of the state government or the union government. We are the implementing agency. This event belongs to the people of Meghalaya. This event belongs to the city. This event belongs to the people here. So I request through media, because without your support and outreach, no event can reach its objective. We want your support and take this message of book fair through your various mediums, through your communication network, through your outreach to the people, because entire success depends on your coverage, which will give what all things are there, how we let people know what they can avail here.
So, as all of you know very well, we have already shared now that there's going to be a Shillong Book Fair. If I am not mistaken, this Shillong Book Fair is happening after a gap of 7-8 years. Post-COVID, this is the first book fair on such a large scale which is happening in our state, in Shillong. And we are very proud to be associated with this book fair with National Book Trust. The planning for it had started way back, several months back, and a lot of hard work has gone into it, both from the side of National Book Trust and also from the side of the state government. We are also very delighted that, as Mr. Malik has just said, it's not just a book fair, it's much more than a book fair. There will be, I think, cultural items, there will be competitions for our youth. We hope that there will be a lot of participation from the schools, from the colleges, and there will be a host of various activities which will be centered around the book fair. From the side of the state government, we have partnered with them, with the National Book Trust, have collaborated with them with the hope that book reading, which was like, it was a passion several years back, decades back, that is slowly losing out. I'm not saying it's dead or it needs to be revived, but it's slowly losing out thanks to the kind of digital craze we have, and we are glued to our digital screens. So one of the most crucial things that we want to do through this book fair is send across a message that book lovers are still there and they're around, and they need a very good platform by which they can come, they can share, and they can buy books. So this is that forum, and this is that platform that Shillong had been looking for a very long time. And in these 7 days, we hope that there will be a lot of participation from the youth, from the children. It is hoped that children will come from schools, the youth will come from colleges, and they will buy books, they will discuss about books, there will be book reading sessions, there will be various types of competitions which will be very nice. So all in all, it will be a youth-centric and child-centric book fair which will happen. And from the side of the state government, whatever support we were asked for, we have been more than happy to provide. And we also hope that in these 7 days, there will be a very good coverage from our friends from the media to showcase that Shillong book lovers are still very much there. I think there has to be a sense of competition also. I hear from Mr. Malik that in various places there has been a surge of people, crowds have come and lay in Lucknow on the banks of the Gomti. So I've seen those visuals, and in my heart I have a secret desire that the Shillong book lovers should be able to beat that crowd. So that is the hope and prayer with which we once again collaborate with the National Book Trust for this Shillong Book Fair, and we thank the National Book Trust to plan for our state, for our city, and we hope that this book fair will be an outstanding success in all its 7 days. Thank you very much.